Python Club. Introduction, music, icebreaker, Python Club, music. Name on it. Music. Big Gareth.
What we're going to do with an I am poem is we're going to put I am in front of those things. And what you're going to have at the end is a poem that summarizes who you are, but just in a different way of saying it. So what are we doing? So for the sake of proofs, yeah, we're creating what we call an I am poem. And it's a poem that basically summarizes who we are, but it's a different way of saying it. So it's basically using the device that we all know in school called a metaphor. So we're using a device called a metaphor to basically
Python Club poetry.
Right? It takes a lot to do that. So what's going to happen now is that some people are going to share their work, and I want us to all be respectful and quiet by just listening and paying attention. Like, at the end, give a round of applause, because that's positive, but anything else, we're just going to leave that at home today, because it takes a lot to write something and share it, alright? So what I'm going to do now is invite anyone that wants to share their poem to kind of give it a good read, because I think that would be nice. We've spent a lot of time together today, so we're just going to share what we can do.